No, I didn't do it. I didn't forget to do the intentional last day video because I wanted to celebrate your efforts and my efforts and staying with it. And remember, 21 days creates a habit. So hopefully you learned a bunch of things that you actually can keep doing. The journal writing, the planning, the what is your gratitude? And did you notice what came from this 21 days? What were the gems? What was the silver lining? What did you learn about yourself? What are the patterns that you're constantly kind of up against? We all have stuff that we're working through all the time. And I wanted to actually reframe the intentional space as a place that you get to take risks. Like it's great to have a space, whether it's in your journal or intentionally with me, a place that you take risks in your life to keep developing the life that you want. Because having the life that you want means that you have to keep pushing the edges, keep challenging yourself, keep enjoying your life, keep being present, having space for yourself, all of it. It's not just one way. It's not just pushing, it's enjoying, it's living, it's creating, it's having a vision, it's making a plan, it's having confidence that you can do it, it's being consistent, it's all of those things. So, so glad you were with me, so glad you did it. And if you have any suggestions or you want to do it again or you have something that you want to tell me, don't hesitate to reach out. I am so happy to be giving this service to you. And in return, there's like healing on the other side for me. So good luck with your intentions. Keep them going.